Hey, who takes minivans through the woods?
We do.
I don't know, fuck it.
Pine Creek. Minivan doing work.
Dude.
They died.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you smoking.
Oh, shit. Fuck it, haul ass.
Hey, put it in reverse.
Hey, no, put it in reverse. Oh, shit, don't stop. Woo! Oh, fuck! Some bitch about ran me over. And that's how you do it. It's gonna sling a fucking rod.
Nah, shit, fucking grab minivan. Oh, it's going down now.
You cannot, dude, don't even think about stopping. Oh, we're gonna sink it, son.
I ain't stopping.
And he's on the cell phone.
Oh,
God damn!
Executive.
Hit it, fuck it. It fucking made it though. Pine Creek shit. Oh, fuck.
Oh, yeah.
What now?
Call Joey.
Call Joey.
The hazard's coming by himself.